Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line antler with flowers. I'm going to go in first and paint my antlers in the color putty, and then I'm going to go in and paint my flowers using the color sea glass, mint julep, and evergreen for my leaves. Once that dries, I'm going to go in and just distress the edges of my antlers with a little bit of chocolate and a sponge brush. And I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some of the color cotton, and then I'm going to go over it with black, just kind of accenting on each of my flowers and outlining them, making them pop. Again, just doing the same thing with the leaves. Now going in, and when I do the black, that's what really kind of makes them stand out and pop to me. This step is optional, but I prefer it. And then I'll finish it off by distressing my antlers with that chocolate and a sponge brush. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.